So in order to remove the magnet, you're going to need a blow dryer, some Goo Gone, a spatula, and of course, some patience. For the passenger side magnet, I actually just used the blow dryer and a spatula to loosen up the magnet. And then I wiped it down with the Goo Gone after the magnet was removed, which I feel like took longer than the driver's side magnet, which I will show you after this one. This actually is a 6-year-old magnet that has been melted on to my work truck, and I have been researching ways to remove it without damaging the paint, and I finally came up with a combination of tools and techniques to be able to remove the magnet and make it look good as new. This technique will also work for stickers that you have on your vehicle. It actually works a lot faster than magnets. So the moral of the story behind this video would be to take off the magnets after every use. Do not leave them on your vehicle, because after some time they will get melted onto the vehicle and you will be faced with this problem if you ever want to repaint your vehicle or try to sell it. So yeah, just take the magnets off and avoid doing what I did. I live in Florida, so the heat obviously played a big part in the reason why the magnet got melted on. But this is with Goo Gone now. This is actually the driver's side. And if you spray the Goo Gone or Goo Off, I know there's two different brands. I feel like the Goo Off might be a little too much, but I have not tried it. Even though I do want to take another round of trying to clean it, there is still a little bit of residue and you can kind of still see where the magnet was on the vehicle. But all in all, it looks good as new, and I definitely did not damage the paint during this process, so enjoy.